Our meteorologists have a weather impact alert in place starting at noon today. First, it'll be rain. It'll switch over to snow with the worst conditions, of course, during that evening commute. So if you can, maybe get your errands done early. We do want to welcome you in again. Thanks for joining us here on KARE 11 Plus. I'm Alicia Lewis. We have a lot of things to get to, a lot of big changes overnight with the forecast, and we're tracking it with team coverage. We have Cece with things on the roads. Audrey's helping you get your car prepared for all the snow. Our Michelle Beck is at MSP Airport ahead of the busy Thanksgiving travel rush. But before all those folks, we have to get to meteorologist John Ziegler. This was a bit of a shock to many waking up this morning.
It was. Belle just texted me. She's like, "Oh wow," So even the meteorologist group, we're just starting to talk this morning on all the changes, getting everyone prepared for the day. So again, it was a shift to the south. That's what happened here. We talked about it yesterday, depending if you watched or not, that there was high uncertainty here. And the reason there was high uncertainty is there's a lot of variables in these early snowstorms. Whenever you're talking about a changeover from rain to snow, literally this change for 2 hours is going to be 2 hours earlier. That could change the totals 2 inches just by changing 2 hours earlier. So a lot of touchy variables when you're dealing with these systems. The big changes here, the number one big change is you're in a winter storm. Unless you're in Red Wing. That's like the only spot. Red Wing down towards Winona, you're not in it. That's because the winds won't be as strong there. That's the only reason. Rain will change to snow at 5 to 7. 5 near St. Cloud, 7 when it gets into the metro. That timing is important because the heaviest precipitation is right after this changes from rain to snow. So I would say the heaviest snow will be that first hour, let's call it 7 to 9. So if you want to, don't get caught out in that at 7 to 9. Worst travel time, 3 p.m. today, this afternoon, through 6 a.m. Wednesday. I think if you can get anything done before 3 o'clock, you're going to be fine. I mean, obviously it's foggy back there, but for the most part, it should be fine. So today, get it done. I went to Target yesterday, by the way. I could not even find a parking spot to get my pickup order. I've never seen this before. So clearly everyone's getting ready, but I think tomorrow's going to be even crazier. So again, go. If you got the membership, that premium membership at Costco, go in at 9 o'clock. Trust me, I'm like, I wish I could do that today. I'll be working. But here's what we're expecting. 7 to 9 o'clock tonight, it's going to be changing over. This is where you don't want to be on the roads. 5 o'clock's a little too close to call because when things trend a lot late in the game, I don't trust anything, right? It's just I'm skeptical too. So I try to buffer it. So I'm like, okay, let's say it trends even earlier, then 5 o'clock could have snow. I'd get it done by 3. Light snow in Bemidji, no impacts. The accumulating snow is just knocking on the door. We're going to be dealing with rain here in the metro. But in the north woods up here, not impactful yet. You could drive for about 2 or 3 hours. But I'm telling you, this stuff is crossing over 29 right now. You can see it near Fargo. This is the accumulating snow. It's just about to move into Minnesota. So Alexandria, about 2 or 3 hours. The winter storm warning is out for all of us here. St. Cloud, Twin Cities, Mankato, and Willmar. This is going to be for 4 to 8 inches of snow. Winds are going to gust 30 to 40 miles per hour. That's problematic. Taking a look at this here, let's go through the day. This is the afternoon. Still rain south of St. Cloud. The transition starts from Ortonville, Willmar, Alexandria, and St. Cloud through the early afternoon. Now, if you're traveling south or you're going through Wisconsin, you can do so at 4 p.m. And I would advise that. If you asked me a specific question and said, hey, I want to go to Des Moines, but I can't leave until 3 or 4 p.m. on Tuesday, would you do it? The answer would be yes. If you ask me, hey, I get off work at 3 and we're going to go to Alexandria, I'd say don't do that or try to do it earlier. You can go west, or excuse me, you can't go west. Anything south or east is okay. Now as we get to 7, still south or east is okay. Now the metro's starting to get it though. As we continue on to the evening, you're going to start seeing Wisconsin starts to get this now as we go into the overnight hour. So it'll just get worse and worse and worse. I think the worst timing of this would be midnight to 1 o'clock in the morning. Here's how much snow we're expecting. 4 inches now. Yesterday we had 2, 2.5, and now it's 4, 4.5 in the metro. So we've doubled that. If this thing trends another 10 miles, the metro could see 6 inches. So we'll see. 7 now, that means St. Cloud's the bullseye. Understand that we're right on the edge here. So if this shifts back to where it was, we'd see 2 or 3. If it continues to trend, the metro could see 5 to 6 inches, maybe 7. I mean, it's possible here. Right now, the metro to me looks like 4 or 5 inches. That's a good chunk of snow for how we've, think about last year. It was so soft. The year before that, same deal. So this is a nasty storm at the busiest travel time of the year. Please be careful if you're in that red box Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. If you can wait till Wednesday afternoon, it should improve quickly. Thursday looks good, Friday looks good, Saturday should be okay right now, but there is still a chance for lingering snow showers Saturday.